In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro to create a user flow. This tutorial will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can effectively design a comprehensive user flow in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine their skills, this guide will equip you with what you need to know to get started. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Miro website. Once you're there, you'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login options where you can access your Miro account. If you're new to Miro, you might need to sign up, but for now, we'll assume you already have an account. Now, when it comes to signing in, using your Google account can be incredibly efficient, especially if you're someone who enjoys having everything connected in one ecosystem. Click on Google and select your preferred Google account to log in. Once you're in, it's time to get creative. Navigate to the lower left panel of your Miro dashboard and click on Diagramming Shapes. This will open up a range of tools that are tailored to help you construct detailed and visually appealing user flows. Diagramming shapes are instrumental in visually mapping out user journeys, allowing you to convey complex interactions in a straightforward and simplified manner. After selecting the diagramming shapes, you can start adding different shapes from the flowchart options available. It's like piecing together a puzzle where you get to design how each part of your user experience connects. Remember, the clarity of your user flow is paramount, so take your time to position each shape thoughtfully. Once you've laid down your basic shapes, it's essential to create connections between them using arrows. Arrows serve as the navigational indicators, showing how users will move from one stage to the next within your design. To add an arrow, simply select the option from the side panel and then click and drag between the shapes you want to connect. Ensure each connection is logical and that the flow makes sense upon casual inspection. This way, anyone reviewing the user flow can easily follow the intended user journey within your application or website. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use Miro for crafting a user flow. With practice, you'll be customizing your user flows with ease and creating more complex charts to articulate your designs seamlessly. Keep exploring Miro's features to discover new ways to enhance your workflow and collaborate with your team effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing!